Let us discuss a problem on extreme values of the function of two variable. Is it has a maxima and a minima. Extreme values means maxima and minima. Now find the extreme values of the function f of x comma y equal to x square plus 4y square minus 4xy on the closed triangle region by the points 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 1. Now we take the triangle, it is the x axis and y axis. The intersecting point is 0 comma 0. On the x axis we take a point 2 comma 0. On the y axis we take the point is 0 comma 1. Now joining of 1 comma 0 comma 1 and 2 comma 0, it makes a triangle OAB. Now we have to find out for this triangle is it has a maxima and a minima. Let the function is f of x comma y is equal to x square plus 4y square minus 4xy. Okay. Now first we derivative the function with respect to x, that is dou f by dou x is equal to 2x, y 4y square is 0, 4xy in that with respect to x means minus 4y. Okay. The second, the same function can derivative with respect to y. X square derivative is 0, 4y square derivative is 8y, minus 4xy derivative is minus 4x. Next here and take the double derivative of the function f, that is let it be L is equal to dou square f by dou x square. The dou f by dou x function can differentiate with respect to x means it is equal to 2 and m is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y or dou square f by dou y dou x. Now here take dou square f by dou x dou y means dou f by dou x dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. Dou square f by dou y dou x means that is dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. Here m is equal to that and n is equal to dou square f by dou y square. The dou f by dou y again derivative with respect to y means that is 8. Now here dou square f by dou x dou y means that is equal to dou by dou x of what is dou f by dou y? 8y minus 4x. It is equal to minus 4. Now take dou square f by dou y dou x, that is equal to dou by dou y of dou f by dou x. Dou f by dou x is 2x minus 4y. 2x minus 4y. It is derivative with respect to y, that is also 4. Here simply m is equal to minus 4. Dou square f by dou x dou y is minus 4. Dou square f by dou y dou x is also minus 4. So that is m. The double derivatives of with respect to x is L, with respect to xy is m, with respect to y is n. Okay. Now the given points origin is equal to 0 comma 0, a is equal to 2 comma 0, b is equal to 0 comma 1. They have given in the question. But here first we find the solutions of the given function or we can find the points. For the solving of dou f by dou x is equal to 0, dou f by dou y is equal to 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 2x minus 4y, 2x minus 4y equal to 0. Dou f by dou y is 8y minus 4x equal to 0. In this, 2 is taking common, x minus 2y equal to 0, then we get x minus 2y equal to 0, x equal to 2y. And here we are taking here minus 4 is common in the dou f by dou y equal to 0, that is also x minus 2y equal to 0. you observe it, the both equations are same. Okay, so both are same means take let x equal to 0, then y is also 0. And from this, x by 2 equal to y by 1 means for x the points are, they have given origin 0 comma 0. If x equal to 2 means y equal to 0. 2 means that is y equal to 1 means here a point is 2 comma 0, b is equal to 1 comma 0. Okay, here the points when we are taking. Next, here check the condition. We know that ln minus m square is less than 0 and L is greater than 0. It has no maxima, no minima. Okay, ln minus m square is greater than 0, L is less than 0. It has maximum. That is, the function has maximum. Ln minus m square is greater than 0, L is greater than 0. It has minima. If ln minus m square is equal to 0, at which point at any x naught comma y naught, it has a saddle point. It is a saddle point. Here we can take L value is L value is 2, m is minus 4, n is 8. L is 2, m is minus 4, n is 8. Check the condition. Ln minus m square is equal to L is 2 into 8 minus 4 whole square, that is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Then we get ln minus m square equal to 0. So then the function needs further investigation. Thank you.